You want a garden room, of course you want a garden room, that's why you're watching this. This is the year to have your garden room. This is the year for you to build it. Now you might be thinking, whoa, hold on a minute, whoa, I can't build it. Well, I'm telling you can. You can build one like this, you can build one like that, you can build one like this, and you can build one like that. Absolutely no problem at all. Now you might be sat there thinking, I've no experience, I've no tools, and I haven't got a clue what I'm doing. I am here to help you. I am here to tell you that you can build your own garden room. I set up a Facebook group, 43,000 members on that group. 43,000, all self-builders, all with a little experience. The vast majority have never even picked up a hammer, and yet they are building garden rooms to a quality that is better than most commercial companies that I see on social media, banging out garden rooms using inferior materials and crap quality build techniques. And that's as blunt as I can be about it. I look at the pictures and sometimes I think, geez, and then I look at the self-builders and I think, yes, you've got it, you've got it. And I'm here to tell you that you've got it as well. There's absolutely no reason why you cannot build your own garden room with my help, with my videos. I have over 400 videos on YouTube, 91,000 subscribers on YouTube. There is nobody out there that gives as much clarity and quality information as me. So what is it you need to start your garden room building journey? A build pack. I've now got 32 different sizes. This is one I've printed off here. It's literally page after page after page of quality information from start to finish. It is often called on my Facebook group, and check out the reviews as well that I'm going to pop up the screen. It is often called the Bible of building your garden room. Start to finish, instructions, get you out the ground right up to the very last moment. You shut that door, you stand back and you look at it and you go, I built that. And there is a full materials list. Like I said, I've got 32 different sizes. There is a full materials list for every single size. And when I say a full materials list, I mean absolutely everything. Nothing is left out. Here's a little glimpse at one of the build pack timber quantities. It's that simple. I've literally put everything down on paper for you. There's no working out for you to do, nothing. You just need to read it and you need to watch the videos and you need to crack on with it. You can send off these materials lists to all your suppliers. They'll compete on prices and you'll get the best price as well. You can literally save yourself 50%. 50% of getting a garden room done by a construction company, by building it yourself. And not only that, it is an absolutely rewarding experience for you, especially if you've got no experience in DIY whatsoever. But like I say, look at my reviews, get on my Facebook group, yeah? Ask some questions in there. People are more than willing to give answers. Really friendly group, lovely people on there. 43,000 of them, and there's always somebody to answer your questions. Build packs are available on my website. There's a link in the description, 32 different sizes. Get yourself one today, have a read of it, get your materials ordered and get yourself on your self-build journey to having your very own absolutely stunning garden room. Like this one, like that one, or like that one. Yeah, they're all in there.